So here is my deck, and I am building on a gazebo to it. So I bought the gazebo at Lowe's, and then as soon as we're finished with the deck, I'll put the canopy on. So it looks a mess right now, but basically my deck was like 9 by 11 and the gazebo was 10 by 12, so I had to extend my deck just a little bit, putting these little 2x4s. I got a 2x4x8 and I cut it and just kept drilling. And then now what we're gonna do, so it's very sturdy right now, but what we're gonna do is use these 4x4x8s, cut those, and then use these little concrete slabs, and then that will definitely make it more stable. So I will show you the finished results shortly. Also, if you notice here, I had to add a little bit on the deck so that it will be raised up high enough where it won't interfere with the screen door. So I have the 4x4s on now. I also put on the side drapes, but I can't reach the roof part to put the canopy on because I only have the extension ladder, and I need one of those A-shaped styles to be able to reach the center. So I'm gonna have to borrow a ladder from somebody, and then I'm also gonna buy an outside rug for the deck, and then I think we'll be in business. And now the finished product, baby. We're done. Got the canopy on the gazebo. It looks good. Now I can chill out here on my deck, enjoy the breeze, enjoy the shade, grill. I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get one of those Bluetooth speakers so I can play some music out here on my deck. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe to my channel.